Hello everybody, my name is Cryptic, and once again the fine folks at Fifine have sent me over one of their toys to play with. Today we'll be looking at the Ampligame V3 capture card. Now, last time I owned a capture card was when that other company, beginning with E, who kind of owns all the market, they first brought out like their first ever one, which I don't think it works with today's modern consoles. But I have, what have I got? I've got an Xbox Series X and a PS5, which both have better graphics than my PC, so I have been wanting one of these. As you can see, I do like my Fifine products. I'm actually thinking about doing a giveaway for one of them. Let me know in the comments if you'd like that. It'd probably be UK only, just because of the price of postage. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, ASMR. So, let me put it down. First thing we get is a user guide. Always come in handy, especially, like I said, since it's been a while. So, nice, clear instructions, how to do it. Does it have RGB? Whoa! What else have we got? We've got a little bit of protection. Don't laugh. You are 40, not 13. Little box. Inside here we have a USB to USB-C cable, which is yeah big. What's that? Maybe about 3 foot. But that'll be plenty because it'll be on my desktop next to my PC. And then we have the main console itself. Nice, like shiny bit. It does have some rubberized feet, and we have HDMI in, line in, and carried that backwards. Headset. Oh, that was correct. And then we have PC, so HDMI out, and then a little button, which I'm assuming does your RGB, which maybe it's this line here. But otherwise, it's pretty light. Everything's solid inside. Nice like sort of little Fifine logo there. And then yeah, just your Ampligame on top. Let's plug it into the Xbox. Hook it all up. PC, monitor. And we'll get back to this. See how it goes. Just thought I'd plug it in first, just so we can have a look at these lights. Don't know. Can you see that? Nice, like breathing kind of one. Ooh, that one's quite funky. Nice. To the way. Oh. Okay, join it up. That just a solid colour? Yeah, I think these are just solid colours. So I mean, I'd probably have that one. It's quite hard to see in this light. Should probably close a curtain. I'll get darker room. Oh, you can just go for the rainbow bath, which looks alright, doesn't it? I suppose it would fit in with some of my other stuff. I should probably try and sync everything nicely. Maybe one day, another video. Right, let's plug it in. Okay, right, we have got that set up. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what's happening. So basically we have it set up. Excuse my cable management and my dusty desk. So we've got the Xbox plugged in, and then the other side we've got the HDMI cable going to this monitor here, and then we've got the USB-C into the PC. So this is my Xbox channel on my monitor, which is HDMI, and then if we look over here to the old OBS, what we did, we just added a new video capture device and it detected it straight away. So now we're gonna, like, I thought I'd be able to, I don't know, it's been a while, so we're just gonna see. So you'll be best looking at this one, won't you? Sorry, this is like really weird. I don't know how I thought this was gonna work. But anyway, let's have a quick look. So it's like, there's no lag there. And shall we jump into a quick game of Fortnite? Hi, that's exactly what I wanted. And it works a treat. The Fifine V3 does 60 frames per second, 4K HDMI, so 4K at 30 frames, 60 frames at 1080, plug and play, okay, and then the other people who do one which is like the same 1080p 60 frames, 4K 30 frames, and then the other one 4K 60 apparently. The other two, you've got one at £124, you've got one at £154, and then you've got the V3 at £56. And at the moment, actually, they've got a voucher price, so it's only £51.29, which is that's quite a bargain. But yeah, hopefully now I'll get some nice quality gameplay, like nice high settings with the Xbox instead of medium to high on the PC. And then it's not just using all my PC. I can record better. Is that the right thing? Basically, I won't be gaming and recording from the same PC. I'll be gaming from the Xbox or the PlayStation 5, and then PC can do all the encoding that it needs to do there. So hopefully everything will be a lot better. If you found this review helping, or just boring with waffling and not much knowledge, just let me know. Either way, input, criticism, it's always good. It's good to learn. But yeah, thank you for watching. I've been Cryptic, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.